Okay,
holiday.
okay.
This time holiday started, winter holiday. That's why they not
Yes,
going to school.
yes, yes.
So they
So,
watch TV.
yeah, they watch TV. So, your daughter also speak English?
No, but little bit because na I taught a little bit. Yes, look here. What? Give me this. Okay. So which type you know? Use of want.
This type of, which question are you asking? Please ask me again.
Which type use want? Do you know?
Use,
Yeah,
used.
yeah. Use.
Used means sentence. You are talking about sentence.
या यानी कि तुम कितने तरीके से यूज करते हो वांट को.
What को? I don't get
वांट
your
वांट
want.
वांट यानी चाहना. चाहना.
या अच्छा किस कितने तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं? Okay. For example, yeah. If I talk about, for example, want means चाहिए. Okay. And for example, मुझे पेन चाहिए. I want pen. Okay. मुझे पेन चाहिए था. I wanted pen. And
या
second, wanted to का यूज. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती हूँ. I want to speak English. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती थी. I wanted
आई
to speak
वांटेड टू
English.
थिंक. या
Yes,
एंड नेक्स्ट अनदर.
yes.
इफ यू
Another, I don't know another.
अनदर आई वांट यू टू. मतलब मैं तुमसे चाहती हूँ या मैं किसी और से चाहती हूँ कि तुम ये करो.
Yeah,
आई वांट
yeah.
यू.
I want to.
यू टू.
Okay, okay. मैं तुमसे
एंड
चाहती हूँ. Okay, I got it. I got it.
या हाँ लाऊंगी 2 मिनट. My baby is calling me for milk. So they have it this time. Drink milk.
Okay.
Because my
So
daughter is
there is daughter and son.
son.
Okay.
I have a girl and a boy.
Okay,
Boy is
that's
small.
great.
That's why I drink milk this time.
Yes, yes. That's why. Yeah.
Because you know
So how
this
is,
time
yeah. Okay,
holiday.
okay.
This time holiday started winter holiday. That's why they not
Yeah.
going to school.
Yes, yes.
So they
So
watch TV.
yeah, they watch TV. So your daughter also speak English?
No, but little bit because na I taught a little bit. Yes, look here. What? Give me this, and yes, I coming. You come here. Little bit.
And what does do your husband?
My husband is decorator.
Decorator. Which type of decorator?
Yeah, marriage. You know, a marriage home.
Okay, married. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's great.
they have soap. So that's why you marriage home.
Okay. So he is decorating marriage hall, I can say.
Yeah. मैरिज
Okay.
हॉल बोल सकते हो और नैन मैरिज होम बोल सकते हैं.
Yeah. Okay. So this time you are learning this language. Okay. So which type of technique do you follow? Like studying, like reading, watching, speaking, and writing.
लिटिल वेट एवरी. because na sometime I read book, little story book. My daughter have story book that's why I read. And you know, one and one to five class English story book very easy, so
Yes,
interest.
very easy as well as very fantastic. You know, when we learn 1 to 5 class book, that time I feel confident. Yes, I am able to
Yeah.
speak English and I am able to translate this book.
So this time I sometimes read this book, and little bit I write one page in night. I write because
Okay.
if you write any vocab, though so that you will mm, you will set in your mind.
Yes, and I want to suggest you when you read any story, okay, that time you should make, after that you should make video on your mobile. Okay, and if you want to upload, you can upload, because if you will make video yourself every day related story, so your English will be very improved.
Yeah, because this time I have only this time free time, because in night I have lots of animals, and I in there in my house 8 members, so that's why I don't take time for myself in
Yeah,
night.
yeah,
But
yes,
sometime
yes,
sometime I have free time that I use reading and writing little bit.
yes, yes. You know, when we start learn this language, so that time writing is very useful.
Yeah, why not?
We should write every day any topic.
Yeah, I want to, but can't time, so that's why.
Yeah, okay, no problem. If you don't have time, so no problem. When you will be free, you should think lot of.
Yeah, in English, I
Yeah,
try to in English, because na this time that time I do work my household chores. That time I think in English, my work related.
yes, and you know, I have habit when I wash dishes. That time
Yeah,
I think only that time I thought only English language.
yeah. Or sometime I speak in English. So that time my grandmother is show me that what are you mumbling? Because I speak alone. So that's why what are
Yeah,
you mumbling? Who is that you calling this?
yeah. That time, you said no. I'm not calling any person. I am thinking English. I am speaking English.
Yeah, this is very a good way, because na you speak, you think English. If you think English, then you speak easily, because your mind is set up.
Yes, yes. Our mind setup. Yes.
You make easily, if and I make sentence easily in my mind, but that time I speak what fumbling.
Yeah, yeah. Same. I have problem. Every person, you know, we
Because
can
na
make sentence very easily in our mind. But if I talk about, I have to speak in front of any person. That time, sometimes I speak wrong. I when I speak in front of person, so we will lots of mistake. You know, we make lots of mistake.
yeah, because you are thinking lots of time, that you thinking easily, but you can't speak everything.
Yes, yes, yes. And after talking to me, what do you do? What will you do?
Now,
Yeah.
so I take sometime I teach my son, because they don't go school. That's why I sometimes teach them,
Okay.
because this time I have free now, so I teach
Yes,
them.
yes. Yes, in the afternoon you are free. That's why.
Yeah. In evening and morning, we lots of a possibility not possible. That time I starting.
Yeah, because in the morning, we are homemakers, so we have lots of work. We had lots of works in the
Yeah,
morning. Yeah,
same in night problem.
yeah. Only afternoon we can say we are free.
Yeah, we whatever you do, what you want to do, then in afternoon.
Yes, yes. Okay, so if you
So,
want to ask me any question, you can ask.
no, I have no question because I tell and you tell me
Okay.
everything. But in next video we will any topic. Okay, we can discuss any
Yeah,
topic
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
because if you talk any topic that they English in your mind fit and
Yes,
you don't
when we,
forget.
yeah, yeah. Suddenly, if we will ask a question each other and we will talk about any topic, that time our thinking power will be increased. So,
Increase.
uh,
Yeah,
yes, increasing. So, the topic is very important,
yeah. And you live in village family.
Yeah, I can say I am village girl, but this time I'm living in city.
Okay. And you have daughter-in-law,
Yeah, I
like
have
you,
daughter.
you have sister-in-law.
Yeah, I have mother-in-law, father-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law.
Joint family in joint family, na?
Yeah,
Okay, wow. Because joint family is very good.
yeah,
Sometimes
joint family
if
is very really.
if you have any help, then they support.
Yes, they support. Otherwise, if you are living it alone, so you have to manage everything.
Yeah, that's I live in a joint family. That's why I handle animals and my home household chores.
Yeah,
And if I alone,
yeah,
then I can't handle.
yes. Because you will have to manage everything alone. It
Yeah,
is it is very difficult.
yeah. So this is nice conversation. We will next
Okay.
video. Time is okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.